Have you been thinking about buying the Samsung Galaxy A56 in the United States now that it's officially available? Well, you might want to stop and think again because Samsung might have just made that decision a lot harder with a surprising offer on another device. The Galaxy A56 launched in the US with a price tag of $499. At first glance, that seems like a good value, especially if you're looking for a new mid-range phone with a solid display, a good battery, and long software support. It has a bright AMOLED screen, Samsung's Exynos 1480 processor, a 50-megapixel main camera, and even promises 6 major Android OS updates, which is rare at this price point. But just as this model hit stores, Samsung quietly pushed out a major offer on the Galaxy S2 one that's hard to ignore. Originally priced at $649, the Galaxy S2 FE now has a limited-time $125 discount on Samsung's official US website. This means you can buy it for just $525, only $26 more than the Galaxy A56. And when you look at what both phones offer, that small price jump gets you a whole lot more. The Galaxy S2 comes with the Exynos 2400 chipset, which performs significantly faster. Benchmarks show it's about 50% more powerful than the Exynos 1480 in the A56. It's not just about speed, though. The S2 also features faster RAM, a much more vibrant dynamic AMOLED 2X display, and even supports Samsung DeX, letting you use the phone like a desktop PC when connected to a monitor. That's something the A56 doesn't offer at all. On top of that, the S2 delivers a better camera system, including an 8-megapixel telephoto zoom lens, which is completely missing from the A56. And while the A56 does get one more Android OS update 7 in total compared to 6 on the S20, most people will agree that daily performance and features matter more than that one extra update. The A56 does have a 5,000 mAh battery compared to the 4,500 mAh battery on the S2, and slightly faster charging at 45 watts versus 25 watts. But keep in mind, the battery life difference in real-world use may not be significant, especially given how optimized Samsung's software is on the higher-end model. Another major difference is software support. Even though both phones get long-term updates, the S2 FE gets the full Galaxy AI experience, bringing features like live translation, transcript assist, and AI-powered photo editing, which are missing on the Galaxy A56. So, what does all this mean? For just $26 more, you're getting flagship-like performance, a much better display, premium build quality, more capable cameras, and extra features like Samsung DeX and Galaxy AI. In simple words, the Galaxy S2 feels like a big upgrade over the A56, and that too without a big jump in price. So unless your budget is extremely tight or you absolutely need that one extra Android update, the Galaxy S2 seems like a much better long-term investment. But don't wait too long. Samsung hasn't said how long this limited time offer will last, and deals like these don't usually stick around. If you were leaning toward the A56, this is the perfect time to pause, check both phones side by side, and really ask yourself what you're getting for your money. If this comparison helped you make a smarter choice, don't forget to give us a like and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more helpful tech updates like this one.